Palisades fire has been active for more than 24 hours now. Thousands of people had to evacuate this region, and the intense winds that we're experiencing right now, the famous Santa Ana winds, are really what is making this so much more dangerous. In fact, Palisades fire is not the only one that we're facing right now. The entire city of Los Angeles appears to be besieged by a total of 4 fires. The other major fire, Eaton, is raging just to the north of Pasadena. It claimed 2 lives in the past 24 hours, we understand. And just like this fire, it has also prompted thousands of people to evacuate, and more than 1,000 structures have already been burnt down. Of course, this is quite unprecedented for so many fires to be getting so up close to very residential neighborhoods, and this fire still remains 0% contained. So officials are warning residents to heed to these mandatory evacuation orders, and they are saying that it could perhaps take more than a few days to contain all of these fires that are currently raging around Los Angeles. It is Tianshan, CGTN, Palisades, Southern California.